Hello everyone, welcome back to Bridge is for Everyone. My name's Jad. This episode introduces the new Learn to Play workshop series. This workshop series complements the Learn to Play series itself. Its purpose is to help you understand the Learn to Play series more fully. It will also prepare you to use it in more formal bridge settings. The workshop will cover some topics in more detail. In doing so, it will assume that you are familiar with the topic from the original series. Others it will look at from a different perspective, again assuming you are familiar with the topic. It will also provide you with the information needed to play at a bridge club should you wish to do so. And it is where I will post videos in answer to your Learn to Play related questions. Each episode in the workshop series is independent, so you can watch them in any order. The episodes are numbered, but this is just for easy reference. As with the Learn to Play series, the workshop uses frequent examples to help you clarify your understanding. This is especially important when looking to apply your knowledge to unusual situations. The workshop uses the same terminology and visual style as the Learn to Play series. It should look and sound very familiar. This brief episode introduced the new workshop series, which will help you gain a deeper understanding of the bridge system explained in the Learn to Play series. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Until next time, this is Jad reminding you that Bridge is for everyone.